Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? Y'all, who's freaking pumped up right now? Who's excited? Yo, I'm about to get into it, straight into it. I'm wasting no time. We're getting straight into the strategy, y'all. Straight into the 5 minute strategy, the new sauce, the new juice. This is it right here. I'm about to break it down to y'all completely. And I'm talking soon as the market open on Sunday, you're going to be a completely different trading machine. Man, I'm talking, we're about to be printing blue hundreds. Do y'all hear me? But listen, I ain't going to hype you up like that. I'm just going to get straight into the material. However you take it, you take it. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? So check me out. First, I'm gonna go over the settings. But before I get into this, y'all, I just want to say that I do ask everybody just to respect what I have going on. Definitely don't stab me in the back. Don't do nothing crazy. You know what I'm saying? Cross me. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm doing a huge thing, like helping people seriously every day. When I say I have over 1,700 private students that, you know what I'm saying, I almost talk to daily. You know what I'm saying? I talk to everybody. Talk to everybody. So y'all gotta be loyal, you dig? Like, so I'm only charging y'all a one-time fee. You know what I'm saying? I could easily charge y'all 500 a month, 200 a month, blah 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 a month, blah 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 1,000 a month, 1,000 one time, 2,000 one time. You feel me? But I'm not. I didn't charge all that. You feel me? $100 to a couple $100 y'all paid to get into this group to see this information. You feel me? So all I ask is y'all just don't give this shit out for free. You feel me? At least respect me. At least respect yourself. If you just paid for this, don't give this shit out for free. You feel me? If you paying for something, you know what I'm saying? That's just not right. I'm just saying, just respect me, respect what I got going on, respect what you got going on. I'm giving y'all the sauce. I could have kept this to myself. You feel me? I could have kept all this to myself, but I'm sharing it with the team because I'm here for life. Y'all signed up for a lifetime package, and that's exactly what you're gonna get. Y'all are with me for a life. So if I figure out some fire shit, more fire than this, in 3 months from now, y'all gonna get it. You feel me? Because you're with me for a lifetime. So that's the cool thing about my program. One-time fee, lifetime access. Nobody's doing that. You know what I'm saying? I don't need y'all money every month. You feel me? I just want a little compensation for helping you change your life straight up. That's all it is. I just need a little compensation up front. Boom. Now I'm gonna help you for the rest of your life. You know what I'm saying? It's simple. I'm already doing it, so I can show thousands. I can show 100,000 people right now how to do this. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm already doing it. So just don't go. I can't talk. So don't do nothing crazy. Go behind my back, giving all this stuff, giving all the juice away. Because I mean, what'd you pay for it for if you're just gonna give it away to the whole, you know what I'm saying, the whole world? So, but respect me, and all I ask is you post your profits in the group. Pay me one time. You have access to my knowledge, my everything for the rest of your life, the rest of my life, and all you have to do is post your profits in the group and just show people that Forex is real. Like people really think like, oh, they're not really, man. You know what I'm saying? You got to really show these people. So all you got to do is enjoy these profits every day. Enjoy these profits after I break it down to you. Enjoy these profits every day and just post your profits every day. Yo, Bruce is lit. Bruce, shout out to Bruce. You know what I'm saying? Just be real. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying do no fake reviews and stuff. Just if you get profits, go post them in the group. Don't even ask me. Just go submit a post. Yo, shout out to Bruce. You know what I'm saying? Like for real, consistent force, and that's it. And that's how we just keep this ongoing. I help you. Y'all help me. I help you. Y'all help me over and over. You feel me? Until we get to the top. Like I'm soon to be planning a big old private student party for all of y'all, all of my private students. 1,700 of y'all invited. I mean, big event, yacht party or something, or big event somewhere on land or something. I don't know, something crazy. I'm just telling y'all. I'm talking like it's time to make these 5-figure days. You hear me? 5-figure day. That's 10,000 and up. So let's get into it. Enough. I ain't gonna talk your ear off. Let's get straight into it. First things first. Let's set up our settings. Let's get the settings set up. All right. So this is what you need. 5-minute chart, of course. Now, y'all, this pair. I love Euro JPY. Euro JPY is now my newest favorite pair. I like it. It has a low spread, a little under maybe 2 or 3 pips, maybe a little under 2 pips or a little under 3 pips, but it's volatile as GN almost. Y'all know GPB NZD is very volatile. Like a candle this big is like 12 pips, or the same direction the same distance, another pair is 20, GBB NZD is maybe 50. So in the same length, the same work, you're making more money. So that's why people be like, that's why it really matters what pairs you trade. That really matters. Like if you trade Euro USD, the same distance might only be 20 pips, but another pair might be 60 pips on the same distance. So why would you be trading Euro USD? You feel me? Go ahead and boom, trade the higher volatile pair. So boom, Euro JPY is my new pair. I'm gonna murder this every single day. So let's get into the settings. So we go to indicator list. All right, this is the settings right here. This is what the strategy, the system, all this consists of, the perfect entries, the no drawdown. This is what it consists of, okay? I put in, can't even explain how many hours and blah, blah, blah. I came to developing this shit, blah, 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 blah. All right, so let's get it. Moving average, first one. Period 3. Moving average, period 3. Exponential. So it's going to be exponential moving average method. Exponential. Apply to close, okay? Nothing else. Apply to close. And then I got pink. I have like magenta, pink. All right, cool. Click levels. No levels, doesn't matter. No levels. Visualization, nothing. Keep it on all time frames. Blah, blah, blah. So this is like on your laptop and on your phone. Same settings, same as that, okay? So that's the first moving average. Second one is our 6 moving average, okay? So first one's 3. This one's 6, the same exact way. Exponential. Apply to close. And then make sure your shift is at 0. Then I have this one, baby blue, deep sky blue. Go to levels, 0. You don't need it. Okay? Next moving average, 50. This the big boy right here. 50 moving average. Make it real thick. So right here, go to your what's it called? Just edit it right here, this thickness, make it real. I got it to the second to the thickest. Did I say that right? Second to the thickest, second to the thickest right here. So, and I got it dark orange. Orange, 50, period, MA method. It should be exponential. Exponential, apply to close, okay? Stop. Stochastics. This is going to be your stochastic. So now you're going to add the stochastic oscillator. All right. Period percent. Damn. What was I saying? The percentage K period 14. Slowing is 3. The percentage D period is 3. Price field. This is important. You got to make sure these are right. Price field. Close. And then MA method, you're going to do linear weighted, all right? And we're going to close that. All right? So let's see. Let's see. Move that. See, I have my settings. See that, y'all? That settings is real big. Just because I had that MA, what's it called? I just had that 50 moving average on the wrong setting, so it was kind of tilted when I was just doing this markup right before I came. So that really makes a difference. See, this was now. Put this right here. But we're going to make that red because that's a false signal. Boom. All right, y'all, that's what we're looking at. So this is what you're looking at. This is the entry rules. All right, of course, entry rules right here. This is what you're looking for. When you have a buy, all right, let me break it down like this. When you have a sale, you have to have the 3 and the 6 moving average to cross over the 50, okay? So for a sell, the 6 and the 3 MA, the little MAs, have to cross over the 50, at the same time or after this stochastic passes 50. Okay? So get me right here. This was our entry. See, as you see right here, 3 MA, the 6 MA crosses over the 50 MA. This is the 50 MA, the big orange. So when the pink and blue cross over the 50, double check down here to make sure that your stochastic is under 50. So actually, the last candle before that, boom, it crossed 50. So you could have, so that's the perfect entry. You can also enter, listen, you can also enter when it crosses 50, okay? Crosses 50, but this is why you don't want to do this. You can also do this, but I'm so risky, you don't want to do it. Right here, you buy it, you get 1 pip, so don't ever just buy a stochastic cross, okay? It has to be, this is what you're looking at. This is step 1, step 2, okay? Step 1, step 2. So the MA3 and MA6 has to cross over the 50 MA for a sell signal at the same time, or as the stochastic is under 50, showing you that it's oversold, showing you that it's trending, showing you that it's about to be oversold, and that it's about to trend. See, look, oversold, trend, oversold, trend. Right here became oversold, right here, oversold. And then it stayed down here, trend. So the exit point, the entry point right here, like I just went down, now the exit point, you can literally hold it until the opposite signal. So you can enter here for a sale. Let me show you how many pips that is, y'all. This is just Friday. Like, this is the period separator, everyone. If you don't know what a period separator is on your laptop, you go to period properties. See that? You cancel, right click, properties. And then, what was I talking about? Damn, I just blanked out. Period separators. You go to common and turn your period separators on. This literally shows you a new day. So I know right here is Friday, right here is Thursday, right here is Wednesday, right here is Tuesday, right here is Monday, right here is Sunday. You feel me? Period separators. So you can see the day. All right. So this is Friday, y'all. So picture on Friday, you making this many pips right here. People are, oh, don't trade Fridays. Oh, don't trade Sundays. Oh, don't. Come on, man. The market gonna always move, man. Be real. It might not be as volatile as it always is, but the market's always moving. All right, check this, y'all. This is no drawdown. You see this? See this entry? 0 drawdown. You might have 1 pip. 4 pip drawdown, people. 4 pip drawdown. All right, cool. And it drops. How much, y'all? That's 74 pips right here. Hold on. My computer tweaking. Watch this, y'all. Watch this. That's 74 pips. Ah, it keeps moving. All right, stay right here. That's 74 pips. Let me show you the whole move. The whole move goes 130. So picture you catching 130 pips on a trade on a 5-minute chart with no drawdown. That means you can do any lot size. You hear me? You could do any lot size. So let's say you only exit on the opposite signal so you can enjoy the trend. But there's two, all right, let me break it down. There's 2 ways to exit. There, you can exit with your daily pip goal. $100, I'm out. 40 pips, I'm out. 100 pips, I'm out for the day. You know what I'm saying? You got to stick to that discipline. Or you can just do it like this. You enter, and I'm only going to get out on the opposite signal. So boom, you take 88 pips. You take 88 pips, and then boom, you're out. Right before that, as the day started right here at 5 p.m. Eastern time. I'm on Eastern time. 5 p.m. Eastern time, the day started. You don't need to be getting in any new trades at 5 p.m. Eastern at a new day ever. Spread is huge. It's crazy, ridiculous, huge for a whole hour. Okay? And then it does nothing. It moves like this for a whole hour and does nothing. And then spread starts to loosen. It goes back to normal around 6 p.m., 1 hour literally later. 1 hour after the new day, as the market opened, 1 hour into the new day. You don't need to enter new positions, but you can hold from old positions. It's okay to hold into a new day. It's not okay to enter at a new day. All right. So let me make that super clear. So like right here, if you hold in this signal, so let's say right here, let me get this out of here. So let's say we enter right here. Here's a good signal. Boom. The 3 MA cross, 6 MA cross, 50. Boom. Perfect. Now we're looking for a cross. Right here. Let's see how did that happen. Right here, cross. No, cross right here. Cross. So wherever it crosses, closes. Boom. Next candle. So when if you're curious, all right here is crossing. Next candle. Boom. We enter. Next candle that goes up, drops down. Or it retraces. Next candle that enters here. And then it just drops. So whenever it crosses, boom, next candle. Or as it's crossing, boom, next candle. When I say cross, the stop. Remember, you have to let this cross first before you even check this. Don't even be looking down here until you have time to look, until you have access, I don't even know what to say, until you have like real rights to look, because this is crossed over, okay? Now, let's get into it. Let's look at another signal. So as the day started, 5 p.m., you don't want to do nothing. Stay out. All right, from this signal here, how many pips did we take, y'all? At the end of the day, 53 pips. 53 pips on a Thursday. We finished the day. Right here is 53 pips. Right here is 56, okay? Same thing, 56 pips a move. Let's say you only exited on the opposite signal. So boom, you get out right here at 45 pips. So picture that. You ride it up, boom, you ride it down, boom, you know what I'm saying? You ride it up, boom, you ride it down, boom, you ride it up. Man, I'm talking about accuracy, y'all. I'm talking about pips. The pips gonna come. I'm talking about accuracy. I mean being able to get into 10 trades and they're all blue. You feel me? Whether they're from 4 pips to 140 pips, all on the 5-minute chart. So now, when I say stuff like you have to set your daily goal of pips, like 100 pips a day is beautiful. 100 pips a day is beautiful. 40 pips a day is beautiful. For a beginner, 20 pips a day is beautiful. Really, you don't need a lot of pips to make millions trading. You just need a big account. Big account. All you need 100 lot, which is 1,000 a pip. 5 pips at 4 contracts. That's $20,000. So you're making $20,000 on 5 pips just because you have huge lot sizes and you entered multiple times. You feel me? So don't stress the pips. Stress, what about I saying? Yeah, don't stress the amount of pips, because pips is going to pay you in the long run thousands of dollars. So I only caught 2 pips, but that's beautiful. Those 2 pips could have paid you, you know what I'm saying, $200K eventually. Blah, blah, blah. So check me out. This is an entry right here, perfect entry. The 3 cross, the 6 cross, 50. The candle closes. All right, but as it crosses, we should already be looking for a cross right here. Now it's already crossed, so we're good. Now, this is where you enter. So you come down here, it's over 50. It entered 50 right here. So right here, it started to become overbought. Ooh, started right here, it started to become into the buy section. In the buy. Now it's overbought for real. Now it's overbought signaling an MA cross. So then how many pips do we take? We take a quick 20, okay? Take 20 pips, 10 pips, 5 pips, 13 pips, 15 pips, easily. Secure your profits, put your stop loss at entry, and you're good. We're talking about accuracy, y'all. So accuracy. So picture getting this trade, you take 15 pips profit, 80%, then it goes back to your entry. Boom, you're out. But you got pips, you got profits on that trade, okay? Now, boom, you only enter when it's a new signal, okay? So new signal, MA cross right here is under 50 right here. Perfect entry. Let's get in. So cross, enter. What's that? 10 pips. So you learn how to take 5 to 7 pips. Blah, blah, blah. But mind you, that's if you take every signal. You know what I'm saying? This is the beginning of the day. London session started right here. That's why I only trade London and New York. This is London. This is New York session. London, New York. That's all you need to trade. This time right here between 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., you know what I'm saying? 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m., those are just times where the market's just moving, not really doing nothing. But as soon as London hits at 3 in the morning, 2 in the morning, 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning, that's London session. That's when the market is really moving every day. That's when the market is really moving during London every day. That's when the market is really moving. You see how this whole day it ain't doing nothing, but during London it moves a lot. Then it ain't doing nothing, okay? And another thing, y'all, don't be so pressed to trade every single day of the week. You seriously take only fire setups, and you still should inline them with the 4-hour trend, okay? So, y'all, let me break this down, the other key rules of this strategy, okay? So, 5-minute chart. Let me show you another key thing to look for, especially when you're entering. Where'd it go? EJ right here. Where you at? Where you at? It was a perfect signal, y'all. It was a 30-minute chart. It was perfect. So this is what happens on a nice, super strong trend, super strong right here. This right here. This is what we're looking for, y'all. So let me zoom in on this. Zoom, scroll, 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 scroll. Y'all, this is another key thing. Now, this is for, so of course on the 5-minute chart, the whole goal is to get in and out. We're scalping. For these, this is for the long-term people right here, y'all. What I'm about to show you is for long-term people. Long-term people who want to trade 30-minute and up. 30-minute chart and up. This is what you need to know. This is what you need to be aware of. Oh, I lost it. Where'd it go? Come on. But pretty much, this is it. This is what I want to go over. The pullback. This pullback theory. Let me go over on here. 30-minute chart. EJ. The pullback theory. Y'all, how brilliant is it to know, how cool would it be to know when the market is going to pull back and you can get a fire entry with no drawdown whatsoever? You feel me? How fire is that, y'all? So this is Friday. Again, you can also trade this 30-minute chart. I love the 30-minute chart. It's lit too, but 5-minute chart is just fast profits in and out, so that's dope. But this is for people who don't have time to be in and out of trades all day. This is people who want to open that crap in the morning and hold that crap till 2 days later in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Or open it now, 4 hours from now, I'm closing in a profit. Okay? So this is it right here. So same exact entry rule, y'all. Same exact entry rule. MA cross. Make sure that is under 50. It is under 50 from right here. Boom, enter. Okay? You enter. 0 drawdown. Boom, you enter, 0 drawdown. 5 pip drawdown, drops. 27 pips. It bull craps, it does nothing because it's the end of the day and the beginning of the day. Look, this is the period separated. This is the new day, new day. So this is the end of the day. This is the beginning of a new day. So at the end of the day, you don't need to be trading. At the beginning of the day, you don't need to be trading. At the end of the day, you don't need to be trading when the market opens. At the beginning of the market open, you don't need to be trading. All this stuff is the same, y'all. It's just the same thing every day. Consistent. The market does the same thing every day, every year, every month. Up, down, same formations, retracements, pullback, breakout, retracement, support, resistance. It does the same thing. So when y'all learn it, you're good for life. You hear me? Like, it's crazy. So let's get into it. All right, 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart pullback. This is also the same thing on a 5-minute too. I'll just break it down to you. It's the same system any time frame, okay? So you enter right here, purple. You enter. Anybody probably would have took their 27 pips maybe. Took their 27 pips, took their 30 pips and secured it or closed. Now, let's say you're out of the trade or you're scared that it's going to retrace and reverse on you. But look, this is a key thing, y'all. Whenever these candles are close to the 50 MA, but these two MAs aren't close to the candle, that's fake. Hear me out. That's fake. It's fake. That's the market makers. That's market makers. That's not real market movement. It's not going up. So picture, so I mean, you come up here. Okay, crap. We enter every pullback on the 50. So we enter, sell. Now we're on the seller side. We enter buy right here. Now we're on the buyer side. You all buys. You're only looking at buys up here, or you're holding it for a buy. You're holding it for a sell. Okay, until that thing crosses over this 50 and shows you different and showing you that it's in a buyer's market now. Okay, so now we're in a seller's market. We're selling it. I mean, you can go as big as you want. You know what I'm saying? Respectful. I'm not gonna say just drop 10 lots on a $100 account. You can't do that, first of all. But I'm not just saying come out here and gamble, y'all. It's not gambling. You still need to use your noggin. You know what I'm saying? But this system is allowing us to use big pips. I'm talking no drawdown, y'all. Amazing entries on your own every day. It's lit. Yeah, you gotta have fun. But look, so you enter, take your 30 pips. Let's say you didn't take it. You held it. You're still, now you're at break even. Boom, it pulls back. You know all day. Yo, hold on. This is going all the way to 50 MA, and my MA is not here. My MA is not with my candles. If it's real price, listen, y'all. If it's real price, the candle will be right on it. See this? The candle will be right on the MAs. The MAs will be touching the candles. See this? This fake breakout? The candle isn't on it. Boom, next candle it drops. If it's a real deal price, candle price will be, I mean, the 3 and the 6 MA will be right on the candle, like right here. So when it pulls up and that candle ain't touching that candle up here and about to cross at this literally rare point right here, like right here, boom, this is a cross. These, see, look, you see this wick? This wick right here, this green wick is just like this wick, but the candle is on it. I mean, these two MAs are on it. These two MAs are not on it. So this is a fake pullback, okay? This is a pullback, y'all. This is a fake breakout, market maker crap pullback. So picture you knowing this, it pulls back just like you know. The beginning of the day, the market always kind of pulls up or pulls down. You know what I'm saying? So, yo, Ashley Nicole, I just got your late message. You're funny. So as soon as I finish this video, I'm about to post it. So yeah, that's funny. All right. So I entered. Damn, I lost it. So I'm telling y'all, the pullback method right here, pullback, pullback, pullback. If those candles aren't in front of these MAs aren't on the candle about to cross, then it's not a real crossover. Right here, this is a real crossover. It's coming, it goes. Boom, come down, go back up. Coming, cross, it goes. It's not coming down here to play around. It's not coming down here to play around. It's not coming down here to play around. These are pullbacks. So when you're in a buyer's market, so you go in to buy, every time it pulls back, you can buy. Picture that. Every time it pulls back, you can buy. Picture that. Every time it pulls back, you can buy. Picture that, y'all. Look at all these pips. These are pips all day. Pips. And what does pips mean, y'all? Money. Every time it pulls back, boom, you can get in all day. Every time it pulls in without no candles, without no MAs, boom, get in all day. I'm talking crazy. And as soon as it pulls back, and look, MAs getting close, cross. Okay? Now, the trend is a buy. 30-minute long trend buy. So there's no way we're taking the sell right here. Okay? We riding trends. There ain't no way we're taking the sell, y'all. But some people probably got in and got convinced. All right, crossed over under 50. Oh, it's ready to come down. Big up, ready to come down. Okay, so you might have entered. Okay, you still entered. It's cool. Listen, accuracy. This system is accuracy. You can enter. A bad signal will still have you profitable. In profits. Okay, so look, you entered, no drawdown. You drop, boom. How many pips is that, y'all? 51 pips. You take 51 pips. You take 40. You take 30. You take 20. You take 10 on just a tiny pullback. Next signal, you know that crap is a buy. You know it's an uptrend. So what you gonna do? You're gonna go balls to the wall. I'm dropping 10 lots right here. You feel me? You dropping 10 lots from right here. Boom, we get in. No drawdown. Well, I'm sorry. 8 pip drawdown. 8-pip drawdown on a 30-minute chart. 8-pip drawdown, you enter, end of the day, boom, you're in profit 10 pips. New day, you're in profit 15. You're in profit 120. Listen, listen. Ah, it moved. Here we go, my bad, y'all. We in here right here, no drawdown. We up 125 pips. New day, we're up 138. Guess what? What's the rule? Pullback. Pulls back, y'all. We get in again. Boom, 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 boom. We get in again. So we're up 100 pips. Now we get in again. Those last new entries right here is worth 70 pips. So 70 pips and up on our new entries. And then our old entry is at 170 pips. Man, I'm telling y'all, this system's so fire. If y'all not ready to buckle up your boots and kick financial success, kick poverty in the ass, man, I'm telling y'all, let's get it. I'm serious. Boom, next signal right here. 30-minute chart, next signal right here. We enter. 30, we already did this, 36 pips. Boom, pull back. Look at that. Look at this beautiful pin needle. Let me zoom in on this thing. It pulls back. Boom, beautiful. You enter again, 10 lots. I'm talking no drawdown, y'all. You enter up here, shit. You enter here, shit. No drawdown. No drawdown. I mean instant. Boom, 10 pips. Boom, 70 pips. Boom, 140 pips. 150 pips. Am I crazy? Y'all, are you ready? Because, y'all, let's get it. So that's damn near it, y'all. MA 3 MA, 6 MA, crossover to 50. Make sure the stochastic is under 50 or crossing 50 simultaneously, okay? Like on a 5-minute chart, it can be crossing simultaneously. It has to be there or past it for a perfect entry. So right here, boom, same time. This cool one is the same time entry. So that happens a lot on the 5-minute chart. When it's really strong, it'll literally cross and cross at the same time. That's when it's super strong. That's when it's super strong, and that's when, boom, what it do? 150 pips. But y'all, I done ain't gonna talk your head off. Y'all, please go back test this. Go check it out. Go add the settings. Man, I'm telling y'all, just one thing I ask is be loyal to me. Don't go behind my back doing dumb stuff, acting like me, scamming people using my name, giving my stuff away for free, just doing dumb stuff. You know what I'm saying? And I ask you every single day, just post your profits in the group Consistent Forex Pips. My group, Consistent Forex Pips, you all should be in it already. Consistent Forex Pips group, go post your profits. Like, y'all, I'm super excited. Oh, that's good. Oh, y'all have no idea. Like, let's get it. So check me out, yo. What about to say? But yeah, hey, if y'all watching this video, if you just finished this video right now, comment. I'm gonna see if y'all watch this. I want you to comment. Comment living lavish. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be. Yeah, living lavish in this thing. I'm telling y'all, big yacht party. This is gonna help us all reach our dreams. I'm talking the next 60 days. Let's really take off with this, y'all. The next 60 days, let's power blitz this market and go ham. People are making 70K, 80K, 90K a day. A day, people. 100K a day, 200K a day, $1 million a day. This shit's crazy, but yeah, let's make it real. So that's it, y'all. I'm gonna stop the video. I'm about to post it right now in the group. I'm 15 minutes late. It's 12:15 right now. But I'm sure you're not tripping about 15 minutes after I just dropped this. So yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yo, everybody right now, comment living lavish under this post. Post your profits in the group. Make sure you tag me. If you can't tag me, tag me. All right, y'all, man. I'm out.